So, hey guys, welcome back. We're back with Matt Carter. So now we take you guys the last race in a race. We absolutely had a great in a army livery in a, this now what happened? Actually, the race is start. So it's we absolutely guys in area actually, but it good. It's really cold, absolutely. Yeah. So now in the race, in a list lighting, in a this absolutely arrows, and okay, this is Belgium, yeah, in 2004. So now today, I will not in it that is okay. So now actually, it's in a way, but not a finish. It's a finish, guys. So so now today. Okay, guys. So now we're today, yeah, absolutely. Ah, not actually start in a race. Now in Monza. Yes, guys. It's absolutely got its time. Lamborghini. Okay, Lamborghini livery. So now great. So now it actually Lamborghini. No, they not. Never absolutely, but guys, it will begin to see, but it's not Senate, but in a race. So now we're join God in this time. Now it is Spa. Let's see. But it is not subswit actually. Join Savior Field. Game though is not X-rated. But I'm a freak of I can. Mexico. Yes. No, I get Mexico, but ain't about the race. But when you can look at this, this is what is so Mesnig Visier code. In here code to join the seer. Now to get the sign guys a bit sign in a race. But they buy